Hey there, welcome to the HomePulse membership guide. As a valued member, it's important that you perform some simple maintenance tasks to keep your home systems running smoothly and ensure that you're receiving all the benefits of the HomePulse plan. Let's get started. First, keep the outside condenser free from obstructions. Clear away any plants and lightly spray the condenser with a garden hose as needed. Next, change all air filters at the required intervals to maintain air quality and efficiency. Keep intake and exhaust pipes free from obstructions by regularly inspecting and clearing any blockages. Have your ducts cleaned every 2 to 3 years by a professional to improve air quality and system performance. Perform pre-season cycling when notified by Genz-Ryan to prepare your system for the upcoming season. Regularly flush your water heater tank and replace anode rods as needed to prevent corrosion. Remember, not doing these tasks can result in losing the 24-hour response guarantee under the HomePulse plan, voiding active warranties, and eliminating other perks of the program. By performing these steps, you'll keep your equipment running efficiently and you'll enjoy all the benefits of the HomePulse membership. Thanks for being a valued member of our community.